Hello everybody, this is Jeff at eTrailer.com. Today we're going to take a look at this Curt T-connector vehicle wiring harness with the 4-way flat trailer connector. Now this is a custom fit part. It is designed to fit the 2019 Ford Edge SE and SEL models. And on a custom fit part like this, I always like to recommend for you to go to our website, use the fit guide, put in your year and model vehicle, and it'll show you if this will work for your application. Now this harness will provide this 4-way flat trailer connector at the back of your vehicle to power your trailer's signal lights, and it is compatible with 5-pole, 6-pole, and 7-pole adapters that we do sell separately. This harness will connect very quickly and easily. Basically, you just locate your connection points behind the tail lights. You'll plug in these T connectors, one on the driver's side, one on the passenger side, ground your white wire, then run this power wire to your vehicle's battery. If you notice this black box here, this is your tail light converter, and this is to ensure that your vehicle's wiring will match that of your trailer. It is a powered module, it does connect directly to your battery, and that's to avoid overloading your vehicle's electrical system. This box or converter is constructed using SMT technology, which is surface mount technology. Gives you more consistent, reliable performance, and it'll help maximize trailer light yield and intensity while producing minimal heat. It also ensures superior operation in any rough road conditions. This does also come with this nice dust cap for your 4-way connector here. So when this is out back, if you're not using it, if it's not plugged into a trailer, you can attach this dust cover on there and leave it on there. And then when it's not connected, just put that cap over the terminals, and that'll protect those terminals from any damage or from the elements. A few specs on this harness. The maximum amperage for the stop and turn light circuit is 5 amps per circuit. On the tail light circuit is 7.5 amps per circuit. Now this does come with everything laid out here on the table. I just want to briefly go through where all the parts go. And it does include a nice set of detailed instructions that'll describe where all your connections are made. But basically what you'll do is you'll start at the rear of the vehicle, and you'll go to behind your tail lights on both sides, and you'll access the harness behind the tail lights, and you'll want to start on the driver's side. You'll take this T connector that has the red and yellow wires in it, and then just plug this into the harness behind your tail lights. Once that's all plugged in, then you'll take the other T connector here with the green wire, that's for your passenger side, and you'll run this length of wire over to the passenger side. Same thing, plug this in the harness behind your tail lights. And then what you want to do is this tail light converter box here does have a little weight to it. You do want to make sure to attach that to a good flat surface. So they do have a tab with a hole in it if you want to put a screw through there, or if not, they even give you this nice piece of foam double-faced tape that you can put on it and attach it to a surface. Once that's all attached, you'll take this bonded wire with the 4-way attached to it, run this out towards the back to where you're going to plug into your trailer, and then you'll have 2 remaining wires here, a white wire and a black wire. The white wire has an eyelet on it. This needs to connect to a good clean ground if there's one nearby. If not, they do give you a grounding screw that you can make your own ground. And then the last wire is the power wire. This is the black wire here. This needs to run to the front of your vehicle, to the vehicle's battery. So they do give you this length of wire and some connectors. So what you'll do is put a butt connector on the power wire, put it on one end of this length of wire, and then run it all the way to the front. And when you get to the front, the other end, you don't want to connect directly to the battery. You want to first run it through this inline fuse holder. So you'll take that end, put a butt connector on it, and connect it to one side of the fuse holder, just like that. And then on the other side of the fuse holder, you take this eyelet connector and attach that, and then connect that to the battery. And then just pop open your fuse holder, take your included 15 amp fuse, put it into the fuse holder, just like that. Put your cap on it, and now your system will be all ready to go. If you notice, they do give you some extra cable ties to take up any slack and any wiring that you might need. But that should do it for the review on the Curt T-connector vehicle wiring harness with the 4-way flat trailer connector.